Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the details of two powerful graphics cards. The PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the right choice for your gaming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to memory capacity, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT boasts a significant advantage with its 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. This allows for better performance in memory-intensive applications and games. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 features 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which, while slightly less, offers improved performance due to its newer architecture. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but the RX 7800 XT's larger memory may provide an edge in certain scenarios. The PowerColor Fighter RX 7800 XT utilizes AMD's architecture, which is known for its efficiency and performance in gaming. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 is built on NVIDIA's architecture, featuring advanced technologies like DLSS4. This difference in architecture can lead to varying performance in different gaming scenarios, with NVIDIA often excelling in ray tracing capabilities. It's essential to consider which architecture aligns better with your gaming preferences. Price is a crucial factor for many gamers. The PowerColor Fighter RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 comes in at a higher price of $659. While it offers advanced features and performance, potential buyers must weigh whether the additional cost is justified based on their gaming needs and budget. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 7800 XT offers more memory at a lower price, while the RTX 5070 provides advanced features like DLSS4. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.